Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So the first news that we have is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi 10T series is launched in India, and the series include Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro and excludes Mi 10T Lite. The phone features Snapdragon 865 processor and a 144Hz refresh rate display. The phone comes with 5G connectivity. The phone is launched in two RAM variants, 6GB and 8GB, and one storage variant, 128GB. The price for the base variant is 35,999 rupees. The Mi 10T is launched in two color options, Cosmic Black and Lunar Silver. However, Mi 10T Pro is available in Aurora Blue, Cosmic Black and Lunar Silver. Both the phone will go on sale via mi.com and Flipkart by October 16. Next news that we have is from Oppo. Oppo A15 is launched in India with MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage and a triple rear camera setup. The phone packs a 4230 mAh battery and will be sold with a price tag of 10,990 rupees in India. The phone comes in dynamic black and mystery blue color options. The price for the phone is not relevant, I mean it's expensive, like paying 10,000 rupees for 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, MediaTek Helio P35 processor and a triple rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel main camera. You can either opt for Realme or Redmi. You will definitely get a good choice at this price range in these companies, but it will be a stupidity to buy this phone at this price range. At number 3, we have news from YouTube. YouTube said it would remove videos from YouTube containing misinformation about COVID-19 vaccines, expanding its current rule against falsehood and conspiracy theories about the pandemic. Well, misinformation related to COVID-19 leads to fear among ordinary people. First Twitter, then Facebook, and now YouTube have done a great job by taking this step against misinformation about COVID-19. Write down your views in the comment section about this. Listing further, we have news from Boat. Boat AirDops 461 truly wireless earbuds with 6mm dynamic drivers are now launched in India. Battery life is the main highlight for the earbuds, as it offers a 6 hours of continuous music playback on single charge, and the charging case feature ASAP fast charging technology. The earbuds are priced at 2,999 rupees in India as an introductory price and will go on sale starting October 16 via Flipkart in active black and bold blue color options. Moving forward to the next update that we have is from OnePlus. OnePlus is teasing the arrival of company's first ever smartwatch in India. OnePlus smartwatch is in the news since a long time and many renders were leaked online. The smartwatch will have a circular dial and no more details are leaked about the OnePlus watch. OnePlus is also teasing new models under OnePlus Nord series, so we can expect the watch along with these phones. Let's see when OnePlus officially announces the device and at what price. Next news that we have is from Jio. Jio provides VIP subscription of Disney Plus Hotstar with some of its recharge plan. Now, reports claim that Jio may soon launch Disney Plus Hotstar premium subscription offer along with some recharge plans. Disney Plus Hotstar premium subscription is available at Rs 299 per month and $14.99 per year. With premium subscription, you will be able to enjoy content in English and American original series. So let's see when Jio introduces these plans and at what price range. At number 7, we have news about the OnePlus event. OnePlus on its virtual event unveiled OnePlus Power Bank, OnePlus Buds Z, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, OnePlus 8T and a new color option for OnePlus Nord. The new color option for OnePlus Nord is named as Grey Ash color. The new color option for OnePlus Nord is priced at 24,999 rupees for the base variant. OnePlus 8T is starting from 42,999 rupees for the base model in India. OnePlus Buds Z and OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z are priced at 3,190 and 1,999 rupees respectively. OnePlus 8T highlight a 120Hz refresh rate display and a 65W fast charging support. The OnePlus Buds will go on sale by November 2 and OnePlus 8T will go on sale on October 17 in aquamarine color and lunar silver color options. Well, which product were you excited for? Comment your views in the comment section. So the last update that we have is from Apple. Apple TV app limited to Apple devices is now coming to Android TV models, starting with the TVs from Sony. The Sony X900H series in US will be the first to receive the Apple TV on Android TV through a software update. The service includes the Apple TV Plus subscription service. So now you can enjoy the Apple TV originals on your Android TV. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and don't forget to press the bell icon which won't let you miss any of the latest video. Also, join us on social media platforms. The Instagram and Twitter handles are mentioned in the description. Please comment your views in the comment section. That really motivates us to improve. Your support is incredible. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.